This is 8th of August, 8 each result. Englishwise Julian Ardeth, who scored 8 each in PT after major changes on 7th of August. Writing, listening, speaking, all 90 out of 90. Writing is 85, which is now 8. This guy did it. You can also do it. It's clear now there are no major changes in the sense that you can't get 8 each anymore. Nothing to panic. You can do it. Obviously, you got to do things properly now with a lot more attention, using the right content. Templates need to be tweaked. We are ready. We have everything what it takes to get you 8 each. If you have any questions, send us a message and watch this live. What Ardeth has to say about the test. Thank you so much.
What is it that they must do after 7th of August? These changes.
Don't take scoring too seriously, because I did not know about the scoring up until one day before the exam. It's genuinely testing your English skill. Don't be nervous. Just go and give your exam in your best capacity. And be fluent, be confident, because they're not trying to get you. They genuinely will give you decent grade and the grades that you desire if you are genuine and you have practiced enough for the exam.
Thank you, Ardeth. That's a big relief. We had a trainer as well recently who went for the exam. She also scored 8 each after 7th of August.
The class with Chinmay was genuinely quite beneficial. There were small things that I did not know before that were incredibly helpful during my exam, like speak out loud. I was taking deep breaths during the speaking of the sentences. So I would start my sentence and just pause for a second to take a breath and continue. That was decreasing my fluency score. So I started properly, being prepared before the start of the sentence. These small things that he went through my every single answer, told me what's correct, what's not, what's a proper technique for taking notes, and just be confident in general. It was a genuinely good and productive session with Chinmay.
So if I have to sum it up, this basically means that if you've got a trainer who's looking over your shoulder, certain things that you might miss at home.
Did you use software? PT AI software?
Yes.
How did you find that? Was it any helpful?
The AI tool is quite effective in figuring out your mistakes, where you could improve, giving you good suggestions. It's quite accurate as well. In detecting your fluency, cohesion, and all the different parameters in speaking. And it was a genuinely good, big help to prepare in a very structured manner, section by section. And also the strategy videos that we have that goes through all the 4 sections. How to prepare and what does actually the format means in PTE. Okay, it's not just speaking has all the grades in speaking. It might be a combination of listening and writing and everything. So strategy videos and the mock tests were really, really big part of my preparation.
Right. Thank you, Ardeth. That's such a genuine and great feedback, and just motivates us to do even better and make the software more better. Thank you.
So much for watching this video, guys. I hope this has given you a bit of relief that you can also do it. We have the right set of strategies. Most importantly, the software, the technology you need to prepare for your PT after changes on 7th of August. All the best, guys. Any questions, give us a call or send us a message. Thank you.